Hey, in this lesson, I want to talk to you about adding fractions with like denominators, okay? Even though this says adding fractions, generally in mathematics, when you know some type of rule or algorithm for addition, it usually exists in subtraction too. So even though I've labeled this lesson adding fractions with like denominators, whatever you do with this, you also can subtract fractions with that same idea. This is probably a review for you, but it never hurts to have a good review in math. When you're adding fractions with like denominators, that's probably the easiest thing that exists with fractions. You just add their numerators up. So when you look for these like denominators, you simply go across and add up 2 plus 1, which would give you 3/5. And remember that you check to see if your fraction can be simplified. That's it. You've probably seen models drawn out for this before in elementary mathematics, but in middle school, we just need to remember what the algorithm is and go with it. Same thing happens for subtraction. If the denominators are alike, you just calculate with the numerators. 8/11 minus 4/11 would simply be 4/11. That is simplified, and you go with it. Let's just get one more for a minute. Let's say you have 7/8, and you need to subtract from it 1/8. Again, denominators are alike. Calculate with the numerators. 7 minus 1 is simply 6. That leaves me with 6/8. But remember that I want you to always simplify your fractions in math. You never leave a fraction that is not simplified, or you can call it reduced. You look for a same scalar that you can divide both the numerator and the denominator by. So 6 and 8 are both even. You can divide them by 2, because remember the definition of an even number is a number that's divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2 would leave me with 3/4. That's it.